Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and today we're going to show you how to get rid of your tight quads. First of all, get a foam roller and throw it away. If you're only training a couple of times a week, you should not feel the need to foam roll all of the time. What you really need to look into is having more variety in your training and multi-directional strength. So what we're going to do is called multi-directional lunges. So what Jenny's going to do first is lift her knee up to her chest as much as she can and then take a backwards lunge step. So this is your first variation. Then she's going to try and bring the knee straight back up to where she was without having to touch the toe down. She's then going to go out at a diagonal angle and then let herself come down that way and then stand back up and then go straight across herself with this one as well. You just let the back foot do whatever it wants to do, but the main thing is, then we swap legs, lift that leg up. The main thing is to watch the front foot. So she steps back, so this front foot here is straight on, she comes back up, lifts the knee, she goes out of diagonal. That front foot now still needs to be facing straight forward, okay? She needs to make sure she doesn't just end up doing a lunge that way. So if you demonstrate that, Jenny, if you actually just turn your full body and lunge that way, you've just done a straight lunge in a different direction. It's very important that you get that little bit of a rotation going. So she steps across herself, the front foot still goes forward, okay? And then back to the first leg again. So you lift the knee up, you step back, and then you bring yourself back up again. You then step out diagonally across yourself, and you bring yourself back up, and you step straight across yourself. Awesome. So you'll really feel a different kind of stretch in the glutes especially. So this is going to use the muscles in a little bit of a different way that you don't normally get to do, which will actually build strength. It will actually get rid of that tightness whenever you start to get better at the drill. So like I said, with the back foot, let it do what it needs to do. Just focus on getting that front foot going straight forward. So you're going to do 3 of each variation on each side 10 times. So that will work out at being 60 lunges in total with all those different variations. Your hips need to be strong in a variety of different ways. If you only ever do squats and straight lunges, you are missing out on a ton of strength. If you have never done these multi-directional lunges before, they will actually feel quite challenging to you the first couple of times, and you may find that you feel sore and a bit stiffer for a few sessions, but long term, it will really help a lot of stuff. So add these into your training for either warm-ups or cool-downs, or both if you can, and you will find over time that your quad stiffness starts to go away.